Right, so I'm carrying out an electrical condition report on this property that a person wants to purchase, and I'm just having a look around first, visually having a look. Just need to unplug everything, otherwise it'll mess up my readings. I think there's something here. Oh, cobwebs everywhere. Yeah, so switch that off. Oh, that's the boiler. Switch that off. Definitely damp issue. There's always stuff up here, always above. The kitchen unit, always above the kitchen unit, it's something. Wow, nothing. Next change. Okay, so it's a flat. It's got bathroom. Black mould. Or dirty black ground. Well, ceiling even. Which I doubt. Got a living room, bedroom. So living room's pretty standard. It's a ground floor, so it's sunken into. I'll just do from the curtain, and you can see it's basically sunken in. So that's the level, ground level, and this is lower. So I assume it's hopefully been tanked or something like that. So yeah, I've got sockets around, so I'll just connect them. It's probably had no heating on for a while. So I assume, because it's so cold, damp's getting in. I don't know how long it's been empty for, but I think it's like a musty smell, so I assume probably damp anyway. Yeah, some funky light fittings. Definitely needs an upgrade. So, an electrical installation condition report, or EICR, is a formal document that assesses the safety of a building's electrical installation. It is also known as a hardwired test, periodic test, or electrical safety certificate. It's basically an MOT for your house electrics, where you go around and check sockets, switches, make sure nothing's damaged, and make sure there's no immediate danger to human life. Something must have gone on here, look at that. Naughty naughty, covered it up with a sticker. That's not a good sign. Dehumidifier. Interesting. Curtain rail there, why not put it where the window is? Anyway, or a blind. A blind would work. If you're wondering if it passed, no, it failed badly.